Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change focus item after tap in switch control on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility and then tap. Then in the accessibility, scroll down again and go to physical and motor section and then tap the switch control. Then in this part, in the switch control, scroll down and then find and tap the focus item after tap. Then in the focus item after tap, you can now change here the item after tap that you want. For example, you want to change it into a current item, just tap it until there's a check mark on the side. When the current item is enabled, the item the switch control scans after an item is tapped. Or if you want to change it back to the default first item focus, just tap it again until there's also a check mark on the side, just like this. When it is enabled, the item the switch control scans after an item is tapped. And that's it, we have successfully changed focus item after tapping switch control on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!